Hi! An important aspect of documentation and plots is measurements or dimensioning. Let's take a look at how we can work with that in Capture. I have a design here with a few fixtures hung on a truss, and I would like to add some distance information from the edge of the truss to the center of each fixture. One way of accomplishing this is by drag and dropping the distance dimension from the library into the design. This snaps to the center and edges of objects, and we can double-click on the ends of the dimension in order to position them. Using the Quick Copy tool, we can build up the dimension information that we need in the plot. But there is a much quicker way to do it than by drag and dropping individual dimensions from the library, and that is using the Measure mode. The Measure mode can be activated using a keyboard shortcut, but it's also available in the Edit menu by selecting Measure. In Measure mode, the design dims a little bit in order to make it easier to see while we are taking measurements. A crosshair appears over the mouse, which helps us with snapping the points we are measuring to the design. The easiest way is to simply click on 2 points, which measures the distance between these 2 points. But we can also measure across multiple points, and we do this by holding the Shift key, which lets us add additional points. This way we can also take measurements that aren't along a line, but run in 2D space, which is good for cable runs, for instance. But I wanted the measurements for the fixtures, so I'll press Escape to clear the current measurement and start again. I'll start at the edge of the truss and add a point at the center of each fixture. Now at this point the measurement is temporary, but I can convert it to a dimension in the design by using the Conversion tool or command. As you can see, the measurement has now been transformed into a dimension, so I will exit Measure mode by pressing the Exit button. You can also use the Escape key. Now I can select this distance dimension, and we can take a look at its properties. 2 properties I want to point out is the cumulative option. This is set by default to yes when we've measured across multiple points. If we turn it to no, you will get the center-to-center distance between each fixture instead. Another important property are the precision and unit properties, which lets you specify whether you want the distance in meters, inches, or millimeters, and also to which degree of precision. Thank you so much for watching.